The human body is defined by a river that never sleeps, a vast, closed-loop civilization of fluid and flesh. We often imagine our internal world as static, like a map in a textbook. But the reality is a high-speed, high-pressure masterpiece of hydraulic engineering. Deep within the femoral artery, the largest conduit of the lower limb, life moves with a relentless surge. This is not a mere trickle, it is a synchronized dance of billions. In these wide muscular channels, the blood behaves like a tidal wave. The arterial walls, lined with smooth muscle and elastic fibers, recoil with every beat of the heart, pushing the scarlet current forward. But as we move deeper, the geography changes. The massive highways branch into small roads, then into narrow alleyways. In the microscopic capillaries, the flow becomes a delicate, high-stakes squeeze. Here, the red blood cell, our primary traveler, reveals its genius. It is a biconcave disc, a shape optimized for the exchange of gases. But in these tight passages, the cell must do the impossible. It softens, it deforms. It curls into a bell shape, sacrificing its own structure just to reach the furthest, hungriest cells of your being. It is a selfless journey that repeats thousands of times every single day. This system is a masterpiece of balance, a constant cycle of birth and renewal. To understand the river, we must visit its source. Deep within the dark, porous cavities of the bone marrow, a silent factory is at work. New life is born here every second. Stem cells specialize and mature, eventually tumbling into the current, like fresh leaves falling into a stream. They are young, vibrant, and ready for the miles ahead. Inside the lungs, a barrier thinner than silk is all that separates your blood from the atmosphere. This is the moment of alchemy, turning dark maroon to vivid scarlet. This oxygen is the only currency the brain accepts. Without this constant trade, the silence of ischemia, the death of tissue, would begin in mere minutes. We are only as healthy as our flow. But blood is more than fuel, it is intelligence. While red cells carry breath, white cells patrol the shadows. They don't just drift, they hunt. They crawl along the vessel walls, sniffing for the chemical signature of an intruder. They are the sentinels of a non-synthetic, irreplaceable system. You cannot build this in a lab. You can only nourish the miracle you were born with. When the body is under siege, the river transforms.
The camera moves
it
forward
dilates,
with extreme
bringing
velocity.
heat and reinforcements.
Every
We see
heartbeat
inflammation as
causes
a
you to laugh
symptom.
hard.
A doctor sees it as a rescue mission. Plasma leaks into the tissue, carrying the nutrients needed to rebuild. New capillaries sprout like roots
The camera
into a
moves
scar,
forward
a
with extreme
reconstruction
velocity.
project that never stops, even
Every
while you
heartbeat
sleep.
causes you to laugh
In the
hard.
great aorta, the pressure is staggering, a powerful surge that echoes the heart's own strength. Yet, on the journey back, the blood relies on mechanical simplicity, one-way valves that snap shut against the pull of gravity. It is a perfect harmony of physics and biology. Every pulse is a promise. Every cell is a story. This is the infinite river within you.